Hi, so this is about providing evidence about this issue I have with this TV box that I bought in AliExpress. So there are two issues with this TV box. As you can see, it promised to support 4K video standard. This is the website where the vendor announced the TV box. As you can see, high quality, very fast box. We scroll down. You see there, it says that it supports 4K Ultra HD standard. So let's have a look at Google. So this is the requirements for 4K video resolution standards. So as you can see there on the left hand side, you need at least 20 megabits per second. You need to support at least 20 megabits per second in your connection to be able to support 4K as the vendor promises. So the issue that we have here is that it seems that that AliExpress don't understand what is the Wi-Fi speed problem. So I'm trying to give you an example what speed means. So for example, let's say that I sell you a car. A normal car, you know, it can easily go at 100 kilometers per hour. When a person walks, the average speed is 5 kilometers per hour. So let's say that the car I sold you is not able to go faster just than a normal person. Imagine that your car just, you know, drives at 5 kilometers per hour and can go faster. So then you try to go from city A to city B, that they are just 100 kilometers far from each other, and guess what? You wouldn't be able to go from city A to city B in less than 20 hours. And then I guess that you would be totally annoyed, and you would claim that, you know, a car is supposed to be faster than a 5 kilometers per hour. But then I tell you, well, at least the car works, you know, it allows you to go from A to B. That it doesn't make sense, right? So that's a problem. I sold you a car that, you know, it's not a car. It fails the promise, you know, to deliver, to work as a car. So we have the same problem here. That's what I'm trying to explain to you when in this dispute. So the TV box that I bought is not able to get a Wi-Fi speed bigger than 5 megabits per second. That means that when I try to download a movie, for example, of 10 gigabytes, it takes me more than 4 hours to download it. While with my tablet, my laptop, my phone, as you can see here there in the table, that movie would be downloaded in less than 7 minutes. And now I'm gonna provide you examples, or I'm gonna prove you that all these devices, they are connected to the same network, and they are all exactly in the same place in the room. And also I'm gonna show you that the signal coming from the Wi-Fi in the TV box is very good. So there is no problem about, you know, the physical space, about the internet, anything works really well in my network, and the only problem we have is just the TV box. So let's go and have a look. So there you are. So there you have the TV box. Then you have there the screen and the chewy tablet that I bought in AliExpress. So as you can see there, that's the Wi-Fi connection where we are connected. So with this application, I will be able to show you that is connected at 5 megahertz, which is the best Wi-Fi standards nowadays. And I can show you that the signal strength is very good, so even excellent. So as you can see, there is no issue with my Wi-Fi access point. There is no issue with how the environment is around here. So now let's do a speed test, and we are gonna use, as you can see, I've googled there. Let's do it again. So as you can see, that's the maximum we can get. This time we were even lucky that we were above, a little bit above 5 megabits per second. So let's try with the PC. I'm gonna put the PC just exactly in the same position, so you can't argue that the conditions were different. As you can see, 3 devices, they are all together there. So first of all, I'm gonna disconnect the screen there, because otherwise you don't see well the resolution. As you can see, this is the same Wi-Fi network. And now let's do the speed test. As you can see, over 200. Same test, the Google test. No difference, exactly the same. Now let's do the same with the chewing laptop that I bought in AliExpress. As you can see, the same network. Let's do the speed test. It's getting, this test usually gives to the laptop about 200 megabits per second. This time it was 150. I don't know why. Anyway, as you can see, it's completely different. And I can show you even with my phone.